run an e-commerce store on Shopify and I wanted whenever I received a new order through my Shopify store, then I wanted to send an instant order confirmation message to my customer on WhatsApp with order details like this. So now here, instead of manually sending WhatsApp message to each and every customer, I have set up an amazing automation which automatically captures the new order details through my Shopify store and send an automated WhatsApp message instantly with the order confirmation and the order details. Sounds magical, right? So now here to set up this amazing automation for your business too, you need to watch this entire process till the end of this tutorial. So now here to begin with the process, you need to search for this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly.com, searching for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers. And it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and are planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this special discount code, you can get an exclusive discount on a purchase of your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT while checking out for your plan and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I have attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Alright, so now here after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on the Access Now. And it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here to build a new connection, we're going to create a workflow first. And here you can see two options. One is create from scratch and the other one is create using AI. So we are going to use this newly launched workflow builder, which is an AI workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect. So we are going to start a fresh chat and it says, hey, what would you like to automate today? So I'm going to enter a single line of prompt describing my workflow to see how it creates new workflow. So here I've written, when I receive a new order on Shopify, send a WhatsApp message via Pabbly chat flow. So I have sent this single line of prompt and here after analyzing my request, it is asking which Shopify V2 trigger should start this workflow. So we're going to select new order and for the Pabbly chat flow action, we're going to select send text message. Here you can have a preview of the workflow created by AI. I am going to click on this approve and create and then I'm going to click on this open workflow. So with this, we have successfully created a workflow using AI workflow builder. Now here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin the automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here we have selected our app and our app event and here you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means we're going to use this webhook URL to connect our Shopify with Pabbly Connect. So I'm following the instructions in below. Firstly, I'm going to copy the webhook URL and here I've already logged into my Shopify account. So from here we're going to click on the settings and under settings we are going to select the option of notifications. Under notifications you can see webhooks option and these are some existing webhook URL. We are going to create a new one. For the event creation we are going to select the same event, which is order creation, and for the format we are going to select JSON and for the URL we are going to add our webhook URL. For the API version I'm going to select the latest one and then we are going to click on the save. It says webhook saved successfully. That means we have successfully connected our Shopify with Pabbly Connect. Here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a response we need to do a test submission, and to do a test submission we need to place a test order from our Shopify store. So for that, let me take you to my Shopify store page and here I'm going to select a random product and then we're going to make a purchase for the same. I'm going to use some dummy details over here. For the email I'm going to enter it as dummy@pabblytudes.com. For the first name I'm going to edit as dummy and these details are going to remain the same, and for the card number I'm going to use some dummy card details in order to make a test purchase. Alright, we are going to click on this pay now. And we have successfully placed a test order. So let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And you can see instantly we have received a response where we have received all the details including payment details and customer details. So with this we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received the new order details, then using this order details I'm going to send an order confirmation WhatsApp message to my customer on WhatsApp using this all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can use another WhatsApp communication platform as well, such as WhatsApp by ASNC, Vati, Interact or WhatsApp Cloud API as well. Alright, for now I'm going to use Pabbly Chatflow, and here we are going to build a new connection for the same. And here it is asking for the API token. So to get the token you need to access your Pabbly Chatflow account, and how you can access it, you can select it from all Pabbly apps window by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So here you can see I've already connected my WhatsApp number inside my Chatflow account. To learn how you can connect yours, you can watch out the videos available on our YouTube channel for the same. Alright, so now here to get the API token, click on the settings and select API and webhooks. This is our API token. We are going to copy it and then we're going to add it over here. Then we're going to click on the save button, and you can see we have successfully connected our Pabbly Chatflow account inside Pabbly Connect. Let's move forward. Here it is asking for the recipient WhatsApp mobile number. So here I need to enter the number to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. So here instead of sending the WhatsApp message manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that when you're going to receive a new order through a Shopify store, then automatically those previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here to map the data, we are going to enter a slash first, and then we're going to map our customer's WhatsApp number. Then comes the WhatsApp message. So here I need to enter the message that I want to send to my customer whenever a new order is received. So let me add that. Alright, here I've successfully added the message where I've mapped some required details, and now here I've used asterisks before and after some text to make that text bold. Alright, let's move forward. Here these fields are not required ones, so we're going to leave them blank. For the keys we're going to turn on this map button, and then we're going to leave this field blank. After adding the details, we're going to click on the save and send test request. But now here you can see we have successfully received a response, but we have not received the WhatsApp message because this is a dummy WhatsApp mobile number. So let me add my number. Alright, after adding my number, we are going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a WhatsApp message on my WhatsApp number. Let's go and check it. And you can see we have successfully received a new WhatsApp message over here with the name Hi Dummy User, and this is that particular message with all the order details. So with this we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected our trigger as Shopify and our action as Pabbly Chatflow, so that when we're going to receive a new order through our Shopify store, instantly an automated WhatsApp message will be sent to our customer via Pabbly Chatflow with all the order details. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to send order confirmation WhatsApp messages to your customers. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then don't forget to use my special discount code which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this automation, you can create many more such automations with Pabbly Connect. If you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your